Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson, and I'm back again today with one more trade. This is Friday, May the 31st, and I did the CAD news. Today, it's Friday, May 31st at 8:30 a.m. CAD is Gross Domestic Product. You just have to click on this little folder. It says right here, GDP, Gross Domestic Product. This will move the market. It's month over month, so I decided to trade it. So looking at the charts here on the Euro CAD, my system was telling me it was going to go down. Followed the rules 5 minutes before the news. Using my super trigger here, I got in right at this cursor. 1 minute before the news, I took the trade, and then as it started to go back up, I decided to close it out with about, there's 12 pips there, and the 12 pips produced $1,314, as you can see down at the bottom. Now I happen to know that the overall trend is up, and that's why it's working its way back up now. Came close to my 20 pip stop, but it never did hit it, which is right here, and it closed it out, as I said, with 12 pips. The pound CAD did the same thing just before the news. I didn't trade it though, but my system was also saying to sell it, and it did drop for 15 pips. So if your system is not producing results like this on a daily basis, I suggest you get your hands on one of my trigger systems. I do have a lot of them, and I'm in the process of building 4 more of them. So I have a lot of training videos. Each one comes with 30 videos. The one you're looking at right now is the super trigger, right here, super trigger. I'm almost completed the ultimate trigger and the mega trigger. And this one here, I have, I'm just starting it, so it'll take me a few weeks to complete it. This is the AO. And by the way, this AO is an advanced awesome oscillator that is with multi time frames. Makes the trading a little bit easier. As using this one, I don't have to check higher time frames. This particular one, I like the AO trigger because I do not have to check higher time frames. It checks it and lets me know what the higher time frame is doing, whether I should be buying or selling. Makes the trading a little bit easier. And that's the name of the game, is always try to make your trading easier. And of course, if it's easier, higher degree of percentage that you will make more pips. So if your system is not producing like my trigger systems, feel free to get in touch with me. All you have to do is look right below this video and you'll see a write-up similar to this. If you're interested in the Pip Trigger full package, do charge $250, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platforms. Now it does come with over 20 gigabytes of training, and there are 12 versions of my Pip Trigger. If you do the math, that only works out to $20 each. It's pretty cheap. Now I do give 15 MT4 templates along with 21 custom indicators, and there's 4 meters. Now there are a bonus 20 videos on top of the 360 videos, mainly because there's a lot of ways to trade, and so I teach many ways to trade the market. And for you traders who like to read, there's a lot of PDF books and a lot of Word documents, and don't forget the $1 Million Trade Plan. Getting a lot of traders who are asking questions about it. That's where you just need one trade a day for 10 pips. And today I got 12, so that qualifies. And all you got to do is one trade a day. And at the end of 10 months, you turn $1,000 into $1 million. So if you have any questions about the $1 Million Trade Plan or my trigger systems, feel free to pick up the phone and call me. And if you live too far, just send me an email. Here's my email address. Now I do prefer Skype. That's my Skype ID right here, Forex_Nelson. All you got to do, I made it really simple for you. All you got to do is click on this link right below the video, and it'll give us a connection through Skype. And through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session. It lasts about 45 minutes. That really depends on how many questions you have. That's right, there's no charge, no obligation, and I can show you any one of the trigger systems that I have and answer all your questions. So anyhow, that just about wraps up this video, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trade, happy trading.